So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to select text from ChatGPT. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the ChatGPT app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now you can simply tap on your old message here, and to select a text you can simply tap on here message like this. Then you can simply see the option of select text, so tap on it, then again tap on here, then see you can select text like this, then you can copy, see. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.